Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the emergency SOS in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and search for the option name emergency SOS. Now as you see, when you put this two button or these two, you will start the emergency SOS. So you will really call with hold or release. You can set up the call with 5 button press. So you're gonna be 5 times pressing the button and will enable emergency SOS. You can call quality if you enable this option, and call after serious crash. It will be called automatically when this option is enabled. Remember that the green is enabled, gray is disabled. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave comment, and please subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!